Okay, Jonas, it's time to load this baby up, okay?
Oh, good.
We're gonna send her out and get her media blasted. We got all the other parts, they're done, sprayed, turned out pretty good. So before we load this up, we want to cover all these VIN numbers up. See, there's a VIN number stamped right here. And then there's another one right there.
Okay.
And then we got this.
Oh, yeah.
So we're going to build a little box around here out of cardboard and tape this up really good. And same with those two areas, because once we have it media blasted, I don't want to have a chance of them etching into these and distorting them. So we'll clean that later. We'll just sand that off and clean it up good. Same with this area that doesn't get it after we box that off. So last time, look at this thing as it's red. And see how nice these floors are. What we're gonna do is try to get the guy to leave this go on the inside, but sandblast or media blast all this here and the rest of it. We'll see if there's any holes in this like we found on those doors. We'll do the bottom, completely media blast the bottom down to bare metal. You can see where it was blacked out here. Get some areas like right here, it was dented. I think when they put those headers on, they beat that in with a hammer. So we're gonna have to fix that, but we'll do it after it's been media blasted. So let's go ahead and cover that up. Then we'll load her up in the trailer and get ready to, I'll deliver it on Monday. Good enough? Good to go? Huh?
Whatever you say.
Whatever I say. Okay. Okay, so we got her all covered up, both vents. And then mark, do not remove. Do not remove. Got a nice little cardboard box over that. Time to load her up and take her out to get her stripped down. So I'm here at Pro Strip, gonna drop this Boss 429 body off, and Damon's the guy that's gonna take care of it. Where do you want me to go?
We're gonna go down to our blast building. We've got 3 separate chambers that we can blast all sorts of different things in, and it's a whole. You put your suit on, got a big big old hose.
Okay.
So we're gonna
I'll follow you down there and we'll unload this Boss 429. Okay, so we got her unloaded. Got her in your shop, and as you can see, this is about as good as you're going to find on a 69 car. Look at the bottom of that.
Wow.
That's original. I cleaned the undercoating off just to see what it would, because I'm going to duplicate this when I put it back together. I'm going to spray epoxy, tint it so it's that color.
Okay.
On the whole bottom, and then the red overspray will get sprayed across here. That's the way they did it from the factory.
Gotcha.
And you see the black down here?
Yeah.
They blacked out this edge from the factory as well. So obviously I documented all that, and what I'd like to have you guys do is strip this down to bare metal on the whole bottom of it, inside the wheel wells, obviously. And is there a way of keeping this?
As far as like the color?
Yeah, without stripping it, is what I'm asking. If you strip, can you strip the rockers? All this up here and just leave this go?
Yeah, the floor pan, yeah, should be no problem.
Because, it's original, and see the way they did this. It's set on a cart, and then there was a bolt here, see, so that didn't get painted.
Okay.
Look how good that is.
Yeah.
Just like on that side.
Okay.
The plug's still in there, but the whole floor, everything is so solid.
Okay.
We wanted to keep this original.
Gotcha.
It's all going to get covered up, obviously.
Yeah.
How far do you want to
So-
go up into the doghouse area, though?
But, so you could leave all this go inside
Okay.
if you go from this edge.
Okay. There
Here.
might be a little overspray.
Yeah, that's fine.
Just from I mean he's good and he's been doing a long time, but
Yeah, I don't know what's. So in the past, every time I've done this, I just had him take everything off up
Right.
here and the whole works because the car is usually rusted.
Very
This
bad.
one's so solid
right
and
wide
original.
bit extra.
Yeah, you almost hate to get rid of this because it's original.
Yeah. Understandable.
So
But if you
nothing in
guys,
the roof?
nothing inside here. So if you can leave it like it is, great. If you end up doing part of it, or you think that you get to a point where you think you just might as well take the rest of it off, go ahead and do it.
Okay.
Whatever you think once you
Sure.
get started.
So you're saying to do all of the door jambs?
Yeah,
Yep.
everything here, all the way around to this lip.
Okay. And then, but literally nothing?
Nothing in there.
Okay.
Nothing on the roof. See, it's got the original red oxide primer
Oh,
up
yeah.
there.
Cool.
So we don't need any of that stripped off.
Okay.
Everything underneath, everything on the outside, the wheel wells, the frame rails, all needs to be stripped. Inside the trunk, we want that all stripped.
Okay. Inside the trunk. Alrighty.
All that. That's where the battery sets
Oh, okay. Okay.
on a Boss 429.
Oh yeah. Yep. I
It's
see it
back
right
here.
there. Yep.
So again, I know you're going to be shooting this area here, and you're going to get overspray going in there, and some of this is going to get peeled back.
He'll try to mask that off.
Yeah, do the best you can. If you can't, you know, the problem that I struggle with is this. This is all enamel, okay? Old enamel. So when I spray anything on enamel, it's going to eat into it.
Oh.
It's going to lift it.
Gotcha.
And so I got to be
Okay.
careful inside there
For sure.
that whatever's bare, I got to coat. And then if it gets to the edge where it's starting to lift, then then it's a problem. So again, if you end up getting into that area where a lot of it's already off, just do it all. Just
Okay.
do the floor.
Okay. Okay.
I guess play it by ear what you think.
Sure.
Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Firewall,
Do it all up. All right.
everything needs to be taken down to bare metal. Shoot, I forgot this.
Rubber piece.
Yeah, I missed that.
Does that come off?
Yeah, it's stapled on.
Oh, okay. Okay. And get to.
We'll have to take that off.
Just so that I'm understanding what you're saying. So if you got into an area,
Well, like if you're spraying here and this all gets kind of stripped off, and you can preserve the rest of it, go ahead. But if he's in here doing these rockers and he gets out into the floor pan quite a bit, and there's only a little bit left, just take it all off.
okay.
I guess you're just gonna have to play it by ear. So here, I'll show you these things quick while we're. So there's a VIN number
Oh, yeah.
stamped under here.
Yeah.
I don't want that to disappear.
For sure.
It's stamped into the sheet metal.
Ah, okay.
That's why I put do not remove.
VIN and VIN.
There's another VIN right here. And then this one's got the aluminum tag.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay.
And so I made a box out of cardboard here.
Oh, perfect. Perfect.
and taped it on. So when he strips this, just strip around here. If there's some left over, don't worry about it. I'll clean that up with the
DA or something.
yeah, or a wire brush or whatever. I don't want that VIN to get destroyed.
Oh yeah. No, that would.
Those two there.
Yeah, that would not be fun or good. Yeah.
Yeah,
Those are
so-
some of the most important parts.
Yep. So he can strip up into here somewhere. Just don't tear that off.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Yeah.
Yeah, so I missed this, unfortunately. We'll have to get that out, and I got a couple clips here I'll take off too. So what kind of media blast or media products you going to use on this?
So we've got plastic, at least down here, we've got plastic, steel grit, and glass.
Okay.
He'll probably be starting off with the plastic media to get most of like the paint and some of the chunkier stuff off, because that has it has a better bite, but it's not as aggressive as like what steel grit's going to be.
Right.
And then from there, he probably will get into a little bit of the steel grit just to clean up maybe some of like the tougher areas,
The wheel wells and
wheel wells and different things like that.
Plastic
maybe
will take off some of the light rust, but
Yeah.
not.
maybe some of this stuff here.
Yep. So, but yeah, that's between those three is what he uses down here.
Okay.
And
So when you do these areas, I'm not so concerned because there's a lot of contours and stuff for this to get stretched or oil can, you know,
Oh.
where it starts popping, heat it up, stuff like this.
Yeah.
This is all got a lot of contours, but when you get up here, that roof, you got to be very careful
yeah.
what
Oh,
you
yeah.
use on that.
oh yeah,
You don't want to stretch it or heat it up. So
bad, yeah.
yeah, because that'll stretch and all of a sudden you get a lot of,
Yeah,
Well,
and I know
can-
he'll bounce from like area to area.
Okay.
To keep the heat down. And,
Yeah.
and from the friction.
right.
So he'll do like a little bit here. He'll come back over here and kind of like bounce between like an area or two.
Okay. Yeah, so the products obviously use the less aggressive on these areas. That some of those with a lot of contours in here, you're not going to warp that because
Yeah.
of all the offsets in it. Okay. All right, well, we'll take those strips off and then you guys can have it and I'll pick it up on Thursday sometime.
There you
right?
go. All right. Sounds
So I
like a
can
plan.
epoxy it on Friday.
Cool. Sounds good.
All right, thanks.
Thank you.